Hello everyone, welcome to the third session of Surge Yoga Meditation. In the last two sessions, we experienced our Kundalini energy and learned to balance ourselves. Today, we learn another very interesting thing, that is to protect ourselves. Let's watch a video now and see if you could relate to it as well.
It's the Kundalini that helps us calm our continuous mental activity. All these excessive thoughts that fill our minds and make us react badly. They constantly take us to the future or to the past, preventing us from living the reality of the present, preventing us from being in the moment.
So, could you relate your meditation experience with the person in the video? We all experience thoughts from our past or future coming back to us while meditating. This is very normal to happen with all of us. The only solution to it is to let Mother Kundalini take control of us, to let Mother Kundalini remove all our thoughts. And this is possible through Sahaj Yoga. So let's get started with our session today. Now we'll talk a bit about why do we actually need protection and what from do we need protection. Have you ever experienced that without doing any physically intensive exercise, even if you go out for a mild walk or for doing some shopping, when you return, you feel as if you're so exhausted? This happens because we interact with every living being at a subconscious level, and we tend to absorb their imbalances within ourselves. The strongest negative emotion for all human beings is fear. What would happen if a tiger suddenly jumps in front of you? You feel an adrenaline rush. Or in an exam, when you have got just 2 minutes to write, but you have to write 2 long pages, and you know that the teacher is coming to snatch the paper away from you. How do you feel inside? Your hand starts to become shaky, and we feel a fear, and that fear demolishes our results. One who could keep their calm in such difficult circumstances emerge out much stronger than others. And this will happen only when we have protection from such external attacks and the feeling of fear. This is what we learned today. Nature teaches us how to do everything. In the long history of mankind, all inventions have taken their motivation from Mother Nature. So let's see how a tortoise protects itself. By going into its shell. That's so simple. And how Mother Earth protects itself from the UV rays? Well, there's a shield of ozone layer around it. We all know that. What we do not know is that we can also have a protective shield around us by raising our Kundalini and taking a Bandhan. By taking Bandhan, we mean to create a protective shield around us, like that of a tortoise. This shield has the potential to protect us from all the external imbalances, and it stabilizes our attention and we feel more energetic throughout the day. So now let's learn a very simple process of raising our Kundalini and taking a Bandhan. Let's sit very comfortably as we sit for meditation. Now we'll bring our left hand, which represents our desire. And right now our desire is to raise Mother Kundalini. So we'll place our left hand with the palm facing towards us, and we'll place this hand below the lower abdomen where the seat of Mother Kundalini is. From this portion, we'll slowly raise our left hand upwards to the top of our head. As we raise our left hand, we'll rotate our right hand, which represents action, around it. And once we are at some distance above our head, we'll give a knot. This represents to tie our mother energy above our head. We'll repeat this 3 times, and each time we'll increase 1 knot, which means for the first time we'll tie 1 knot, then we'll tie 2 knots, and the third time we'll tie 3 knots. Now, after raising the Mother Kundalini, we'll protect ourselves with the help of these divine vibrations by taking a Bandhan. Now, place your left hand with the palm open upwards very comfortably on your lap. Now just imagine that you have 7 colors in your left hand, and with the help of these 7 colors, you have to create a rainbow around you. So we'll go from left portion of our body, creating a rainbow, to the right portion, and then we'll come back again from the right back to the left. So this completes 1 color, and similarly you have to do for all the 7 colors. This will protect each of your chakras, the 7 chakras that we have. We'll take Bandhan along with Shimataji now, and then sit in meditation for some while. So I request you all to be seated in a meditative pose.
Let us put ourselves into Bandhan after raising our Kundalini. Raise. Attention on your Sahasrara. Don't close your eyes. Push back your head. 1. Again. Sit straight. Take it up on your head. 2. 3. Now a Bandhan. 1, 2. Do it properly, systematically. 3. All of us should do properly. 3. 4. 5. Try to wait as I'm doing. 6. 7. Still not, we have not done it properly. We all should do in one rhythm. Let's do it again. 1. Slowly. 2. With attention on the Sahasrara. 3. How do I do it? 4, 5, good. 6, attention on Sahasrara. 7,
Now place your left hand open in front and right hand on Mother Earth. We pray with all our heart, Mother, please take away all the negativities in my left channel into Mother Earth. Mother, please clear my left channel. Now bring back your right hand to your lap, keep it open with the palm facing upwards, and bend your left hand from the elbow such that the palm faces backward. Here we'll pray, Mother, please take away all my worries into the air. Mother, please take away all my future plannings all the negativities in my right channel into the air. Mother, please clean my right channel. Now, bring back your left hand to your lap. Keep both your hands open with the palm facing upwards and sit in meditation for a little while. How are you feeling now? I'm sure your thoughts might have calmed down and you're feeling much more peaceful than earlier. So, what we did today is how you have to meditate daily. We have a few easy steps. First, we raise our mother energy and take a bandhan. This protects us during meditation and brings us to the present moment. Then, we balance ourselves by clearing our left and the right side so that we are in the center, and again this helps us to come to the present moment. And then we just sit with the palms open and enjoy the state of meditation for some time. We can play instrumental music or any speech of Shri Mataji, which helps us to bring back our attention inside and develop our meditative state. However, you do not have to follow anything as a rule. Sahaj Yoga is very dynamic and it gives you freedom to learn your own way of getting into a meditative state. So, if you do not want to take a bandhan or balance yourself, okay, don't do that. If you just have 5 minutes and you do not want to get into these activities, then just open your hands and pray to your Mother Kundalini. A little prayer can also be heard. We just want you to spare your 10 minutes from the day and give time to yourself. Slowly and gradually, as you start feeling your vibrations, you'll automatically start taking bandhan, start balancing yourself. So, until then, just spare out some time for yourself for meditation. We hope that you enjoyed today's session and it motivated you to meditate and develop a deeper connection with your Kundalini power. And the next time you come, we'll be happy to hear a lot of experiences that you had while meditation. Until then, keep meditating. Thank you.